we slept the last time.
Because I remembered that
Mm-hmm.
the someone's
Yeah.
which is kind of creepy.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself? Trying to
Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new and you sing this phrase for the very first time, my name is Thato M and I'm also known as Naledi's mom. So the previous vlog was literally an introduction to our school holiday, September school holiday vacation, which was literally last minute. One thing about us, we will do a vacation on last minute because I don't know about the vacations this year. I was really not paying attention. I vow that next year I will be on I'll be on my game. First thing, Naledi is going to a new school next year. Yay! We are going to a new school, and the school they only have 3 terms, meaning their school holidays will be longer. So I need to be on my game when it comes to school holidays. I need to jot down everything, plan everything in advance so that this does not happen. My favorite hotel is fully booked. What do I expect? It's heritage weekend, it's school holiday weekend. I don't know what I was thinking, but our favorite hotel is fully booked and we just had to improvise. So we got this beautiful apartments, which actually works out better because we are not alone. We are traveling with friends. Therefore, we got a 2 bedroom apartment, which is perfect for her, perfect. And then of course it's apartments everywhere, so it's just perfect for us. And yeah guys, this is our vacation. We are in Durban, uMhlanga, and we are just going to enjoy these holidays. The reason why we chose Durban yet again is mainly because of the weather. What Cape Town has been happening, oh my gosh. And actually recently Durban had had snow, so we were not really sure what was happening. Are you ready? No, you can come in. So yeah, we were not sure of the weather, but it's nice and warm, very humid though. Why are you guys fighting? It took long in the meeting, ne?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Remember, you've got the whole day tomorrow to go swim.
They wanna go swim, so daddy took long.
It's good, man.
But not now. Now let's go, guys. We need to go buy groceries. Remember, we're not in a hotel, we're in an apartment. We need to get groceries so that we have some things to nibble on, something to snack on. Yeah, that's what we need to do, guys. So Asambe, anyway, I think we're gonna go to a
You can go to, it's up to you.
Gateway.
Gateway, I can do Gateway.
Okay.
Gateway.
Okay, guys, let's go to Gateway and buy groceries because we are living in an apartment. So we need to make sure with these Nama snacks. I'm not room service this time around. I'm not going downstairs to go get food. Oh, Mudim, why are we subjected to such treatment? Huh?
Yeah, making it Chinese.
My gosh. Yeah, but anyway, as I said, everything was a rush, last minute. So, are you gonna wear your shoes and then a jacket maybe? So that's Zukamba.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Your shoes are zing up.
I'm looking for a lighter jacket. This one.
They're at the back there. Yeah. So guys, we're going to buy groceries because manje sesisendlini. Sesisendlini. Kufuneka igroza, kufuneka ibisi, kufuneka isalt. Oh Lord. Release me from such shackles in Jesus' name.
Where's my shoes?
The shoes are in there. Are you gonna wear it like the techie vibes? Are you gonna walk?
It's like literally 100 meters.
100 meters. It's just 100 meters.
Yeah, you jump the street and then you're there.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna take you guys with just to show you guys around where we are, and it's very cute, very quiet, and quite safe, if I may say so. Okay, this intro is long, so yeah, I hope you watch the part one before this one, just so that you get the whole thing, because I figured I'm not doing long vlogs anymore. 30 minutes max, because Lona Halishebi. The minute every 45, 50, already they dropped viewership. So we are doing 30 minutes, 35 minutes max. So yeah, let's go buy groceries. This is our first day in Durban. So yeah, I'm just wearing the set. I think Nayazi, nothing too hectic. So yeah, and then my hair band, because I made sure that I install, but there's literally everything here. There's a hair dryer. I've got my things in case I want to switch into another hair, which I think I'll do. My eyelashes are falling and Mpo is all the way in Joburg. But yeah, let's just take a walk to go to Gateway Mall to go buy groceries, and then we'll come back. And I think, what are we gonna eat for dinner?
Remember we'll see. We've got the Chinese.
Oh, Luna.
Yeah, remember the Chinese, we'll see. They got their flight delays or whatever.
You see now, people are planning a meeting while we are on holiday.
Just one small meeting.
Just one small meeting. Okay. Asambeni, guys.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. When I swim down to the deep end, you know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I just want your heart, I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I understand you how you taking all my time. That's right, yeah, you taking all my time. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I like it how I rock it from behind. I understand you how you taking all my time. That's right, yeah, you taking all my time. Take it, baby, don't be like scared. Take it, oh, maybe when I take it, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want you, and it's hard to resist. Cause I want you, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe it. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Oh, no cover, no get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Next, baby, turn it down like it's sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stranger, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind.
it's quite a lot.
Oh! They're over. What are they eating? We must have veg. What are they eating? I mean, they're eating
There are a
each
lot,
other
eh?
here.
They are eating each other.
No way.
It's the koi.
No, these are too much.
They're not koi.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip
Yeah.
on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, you keep it going. Like bum bum bum, throw it back down.
Yeah.
Tell me!
And it's just by the corner, so you can walk. You can literally walk. It's not Kibana. It's not. It's Cuba. Yes. Come, lady. It's Cuba. Good morning, my lovely people. Welcome to day 2 of this vacation of ours. The time now is 8:30 in the morning. It's a Wednesday morning. We arrived here, of course, yesterday, Tuesday, and we arrived early in the morning though. And also, can we discuss this thing of checking in at 2 o'clock? What happened to checking in at 11 a.m.? Like, bad ropa, wait. So you check in at 2 o'clock and you pay for the full day. Like, that sounds like robbery to me. But anyway, today's day 2. Yeah, it's just Lady and I in this apartment. We are about to just get ready for the day. Today we're gonna do beach day. Because when I was checking the weather, it looks like today it's a perfect day to go to the beach. It's a bit cloudy though. The sun keeps coming in and out.
But I think
So
it's gonna be later in the day. It's going to be
yeah, so this is the weather. It's showing that it is, I'm not sure if you can see today, it's a bit cloudy. The clouds keeps going in and out, the sun keeps peeping through. But when I was looking where we are not directly by the beach, so for some odd reason it's slightly like it has wind, because the minute we move down to the beach it's a bit warmer. So I'm banking on that by the time we get to the beach, which it's just like 400 kilometers or 500 kilometers away. I'm not sure. Did I say kilometers?
yes.
No, it's meters, not kilometers. It's like 400 meters away. Kilometers is like far. So yeah, it's gonna get at up to 25 degrees later. So it's a pretty warm. It is not cold at all, but the clouds are a bit throwing the whole thing off. But I like it because we're not gonna get sunburned, even though we're still gonna wear our sunscreen. So yeah, day 2 of this wonderful vacation. Yeah, we're gonna walk down to the uMhlanga beach, and yeah, it's a bit rocky. The beach there, it's a bit rocky, but
Yeah.
it's better than the South Beach one because that will be so congested. I like this side of town, it's more quiet, and if I'm not this side of town, I move up to the Balito side. So yeah, it's cool, it's chilled. So let's see what we get up to. As I said, it's gonna be beach day. Yesterday we bought groceries. When we got back, we couldn't really show you the grocery haul, but so love, this is our cute little entry point, and then this is our kitchen. This kitchen is so cute. It has this marble backsplash. We've got things here to do whatever we need to do. You can even wash your swimsuit, and we bought water. And then this is the dishes from yesterday. There's no this thing. It's like see-through, so I don't know how do you wash dishes, or you're not supposed to wash dishes, because I don't know. But anyway, I left them here. We had coffee this morning, so we have a coffee machine, which was, this is like basically the basic one. It's literally basic because it was literally just yeah, that's the coffee we made, which is delicious. We bought this coffee from Checkers yesterday. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with this baby, but yeah, we've got a gas stove. There's also an oven, and then we bought some veggies are cooked. These are just onions, red onions, and then of course bananas. The kitchen has a microwave, and it has a lovely fridge. I think the fridge is still new because they have not yet, you know what I mean. So as you open the fridge, this is literally everything we bought yesterday. I'm about to have a mimosa actually, and yeah, and then this side is just the meat that we bought. We didn't buy a lot. We're gonna go to the beach, so this is also nice. You need to get this. You find it at Checkers. So yeah, this is our little situation. We went to Tiger's Milk last night for dinner, so that is just our takeout from Tiger's Milk. Yeah, and then this side, as you open, is literally filled, and then that's our snacks, and that's my bag, my beach bag, what's used for, yeah. And then this is just where we went last night for dinner. Yeah, and then this is where we are having dinner. Yeah, it's a very cute. And then this is where we are sitting. Yeah, and then that's the TV, which we're hardly using. And then these are the two bedroom number 1 this way, and then that is the bedroom number 2. Yeah, it's a bit messy now, but yeah, it's a bit messy, but this is where we are dwelling for our last minute holiday, which I actually like it. You know, when you're with kids, my kid, when you're with kids in the morning, they need cereal before you go for your breakfast with sunny side up poached eggs. So this works so much better for me because I bought Future Life. She loves Future Life. Ow! I'm trying to walk backwards so that I don't turn away from the light. So I bought this Izolo. Then she had Future Life, and now I can, you know, relax. I don't have to rush to go to, I think, back to Doppio Zero for our breakfast. We can literally just have brunch like we did yesterday when we are arriving while waiting for our room, because this situation of checking in at 2, I don't know, I need to create my own hotel where I can just check in at 11, because that used to be the check-in time, and you need to check out by 10. Like, hello. But I guess we're paying for the nights, because that's exactly what they're billing. They bill nights. Days they don't bill apparently. So yeah, my loves, we're gonna just get ready. Beach day, we don't have to dress up too much. We just have to wear swimming costume underneath and then cover up on top, and then maybe carry something warm so that we, especially for someone, yeah, it's a bit, let me show you outside my room. So this is outside. The ocean is over there. So this is the cloud situation. This is the outside, and yeah, this is the weather. So I really don't know. This is literally the weather. So I really don't know how we're gonna do this, because the reason why my bag was also overweight is because I'm packed. Okay, it's a bit loud. Let me close here. The reason why my bag was overweight is because I packed for winter and summer. I packed for winter and summer because the weather just switch up so crazy. Like you can't trust when it says it's sunny, because yesterday when we came back from the mall, which is not so far, it was drizzling. We walked back in drizzle. It was not crazy drizzle, but it was drizzling. So
Do you want to get
I don't know. I packed my umbrella. Like guys,
at least they can
yeah.
cover the pen.
You know, if I was driving, it was gonna be much better because I could just fill the car with everything I need. Like now we have to go to the beach. I don't have the beach setup. I don't have the beach umbrella. I don't have the beach seats. Hopefully, if there is like a place where you can rent out, like
She has the umbrella.
no, this one is small. This one just fits in my bag. Like if there's a place at the beach where you can like hire a setup and you just sit, you put your drinks, you put your snacks, and you just relax the whole day, that will be actually ideal. I will look for it when we get there, but
They normally
I
just
don't
walk
know.
up to you, or you can see them because they're very near.
yeah, hopefully I see them because I would love to rent out a setup because we want to make it a beach day. But with this weather, and if it starts raining, we need to pack up and run into the closest restaurant, the pits. But yeah, at least we're having a break. Downstairs there's a massage parlor. We'll see, child. It's my first time this side of town, but I'm loving it. There's so much things to do. I like just your hotel room and yeah. Anyway, there's still Shaka Marine World. There's a lot. That's quite a lot to do, but yeah. There's a boat ride, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work going on boats because it's windy. You don't want to be stuck at sea. So born.
Alright, now we're going. But now, are we going in a few minutes?
Just shower, we'll see.
I'll shower, then I come eat my. I'll come eat my tea. So is everything in the room?
Loves, we are on our way out. It's like sunny outside. It's like so sunny outside. We are heading to the beach now. I think I'm gonna call Uber because I do have a beach bag. I'm wearing this dress of mine. It's just easy because I've got a swimsuit underneath, so it just becomes very easy. My hair, I need to remove this hair when I come back. Lady, where are you? The lady, she's ready as well. She's gonna take her doll. There she is. So I do have a bag for changing clothes. I have a bag there, and I'm just washing. Wait, I'm just washing things in there. So I do have a bag which has snacks, changing clothes, snacks, changing clothes, and hats. Sunscreen is on, and yeah, it's just gonna be a simple day at the beach. Hopefully I don't lose you guys, so let's go. I'm just finishing off my mimosa, and then we are off. Let's go have fun at the beach. The reason why we're actually here is the beach, so that's our been.
just trying you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, yeah, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel